DWAC stock down from $15.20 to a low of $13.50. When everyone else was telling you to buy, I was warning you not to buy this stock. If you haven't figured it out yet, we are the one trading channel that will help you stop losing money in the stock market and start making profits. Take a look at some of the profits we made our traders just this week alone. My name is Coach Cota. I've been day trading for 11 years. Welcome to the channel. If you want to make money in the stock market, you're in the right place. Digital World Acquisition Corp, originally thought to squeeze much higher than $15, is now at $13.90. That's right, it's down. The stock is down. Why? Because the manipulators have come in. They've been shown for who they truly are. DWAC just dumped and I saved you again. That's exactly what we do on this channel. I'm sorry I didn't get in sooner and was able to warn you earlier in the day. I did drop a warning last night to prevent you from buying more DWAC stock at market open. For those of you who do not know me, I am the trader who literally predicted that COSM, MMAT, and MULN would eventually lose almost all of their value. If you lost money on these stocks, then don't worry about it. I have a solution for you. Click the link in the description. I'm happy to walk you through step by step how I predicted these stocks would crash and how we can make the money back that we lost in the stock market on these stocks. Now, I didn't invest in these stocks personally. I was more focused on getting you out of these stocks. But if you are ready to make those profits back, I offer a free trial and I will literally jump on a call with you personally and help you make the money back. 100% free. When you are ready to join my stock trading group, click the link below and I'll see you there. Now, Nano Dimensions, that's another stock which we're going to review today. Nano Dimension stocks is down even after they reported good earnings. However, NNDM is not done yet. I'm not saying to buy NNDM. I'm merely giving you an update on the stock and on the trade. NNDM can go up more. But if I wasn't buying NNDM stock, then what was I buying? I was buying SDIG, my friends. SDIG was a pro call out only given to my pro members, and that stock short squeezed. SDIG short squeezed. You can see a trader making money on SDIG right here. The SDIG short squeeze was a huge win. SDIG chart right here, as you can see, we're buying the stock on July 3rd, around $4.80. Stock rallied to $6.65, which is a 25% increase, 2,500 profit on 10K. Let's close out by going over the DWAC chart. DWAC chart right now down substantially, as you can see, from $15.20 yesterday all the way down to $13.50. The stock can fall even further to about $12.50. Or it can rally back to about $14.40, okay? So there's two things that DWAC can do, but I don't recommend trading the stock because of how manipulated it is. There's way too many hedge funds on both sides of this trade. I need you guys to get consistent. I need you guys to get profitable like the people in my trading group. And if you want to join my trading group for free and jump on a call with me, click the link below and I'll see you guys there.